the other compressor, you can see this relay. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. Friends, today I will show you I have two compressor. You can see one is national and one is Danfoss, and we have relays. So how do you will connect this all relay connection? Now first I will show you this relay. This relay you can fix with only Danfoss, and this relay you cannot fix with this type of terminal. You can see the common is up and national, and Danfoss you can see the common is down. So this is two type of relay, both you can fix here like that. You can fix this one here, and also you can fix this relay here, but there is difference. What is the difference? You can see here two terminal running and starting, and here you can see only terminal on running. Okay, with this relay you cannot fix any capacitor, and with this relay you can fix capacitor only running. Starting capacitor you cannot fix with this relay. You can fix only running capacitor with this relay. So these relay you cannot fix with this compressor. Okay, you can fix these relay only with this compressor. And how do you do connection? In this relay you can give common and running directly. How? Like that. Like this you can give connection and you can run the system. And the other compressor, you can see this relay. First you need to connect overload, and then this relay you can fix like this, and connection you can fix in this terminal. And the down relay you can see there is three terminal, 1 2 3. So you can fix the other wire on this terminal, top terminal. Okay, now how do you connect the other relay? You can see this relay, these all are terminal. Okay, you need to just fix this relay and this compressor, and one cable you need to give in this terminal, and the other one you need to give on this terminal. So this how